the YouTubers, TikTok, and all the shows. Bronies and broniads alike. Junkyard Wolf here. And this is one of my original OC characters I made from an app long ago. But I'm here to tell you I'm gonna start making readings, other videos and stuff once I get a chance. But this is one of my third or fifth video like this. I don't know, can't remember. But I'm gonna start making readings of My Little Ponies and stuff. And when I finish, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you I do not own none of the stories. And when I finish recording the videos for the My Little Pony readings, I'm gonna add music to it that I do not own myself. I do not own none of the rights to none of these videos, to none of this music, none of the stories, nothing. I just own my YouTube page. I just own my YouTube page here. And so don't try to sue me for no bullcrap. No one out there. I'd like for y'all to like, comment, subscribe, please, and subscribe to all the music fans, the ones I play the music from, and subscribe to Blissy, Despio, Jessica Pie, and all of them, please. Because if it weren't for them, I know for damn sure, I probably done hurt somebody by now, because my bunch of stuff's happened to me in the past. Like I said in my videos in the previous time. If it weren't for them, I would have gave up a long time ago. So like, comment, subscribe, and subscribe to them. CMB Junkyard Wolf here. I'm out. See y'all later. Hope y'all like the music.
Big smoke, 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 big smoke.
This right here is no swag.
She kinfolk, big smoke. While my
This
country folk
right here is no swag.
show me that country boy swag.
Country boy swag. Country boy swag. Country boy, country boy, country boy swag. From my hat to my boots, to the buds in my bag. Get back to whole farm on my country boy swag.
Listen up good right here.
They call me Hick Rose, holla honky kong, and raise a cold cup up when you hear this song. When you're feeling strong, just like your southern fried. Red, white, and blue soul built with country pride. You can see it in my eyes, blood, sweat, and blistered hands. I'm brewed tough and hold it down for the simple man. I got a simple plan, just keep it country, baby. From the sticks to the bricks, backwoods, living crazy. Take it off the top, down my family tree. Me and 10 West Coast, full-blooded breed. I'm with my only team, we call it kinfolk. Country boy swagged out in real bud camo. Redneck girls and my trucks gone wild. My southern swag stretches far as a country mile. From my hat to my boots to the buds in my bag. You can bet the whole farm on my country boy swag. Country boy swag. Country boy swag. Country boy, country boy, country boy swag. From my hat to my boots to the buds in my bag. Get bet the whole farm on my country boy swag. Country boy swag. Country boy swag. Country boy, country boy, country boy swag. From my hat to my boots to the buds in my bag. Get bet the whole farm on my country boy swag.